So I'm chilling with my kids, putting together this wig sale, and I realized how I'm going to do a wig sale in the morning. I didn't even tell you about the wig sale. So I'm here to tell you guys there will be a wig sale tomorrow morning. Let me just make sure I'm getting this right. Yes, so Saturday, March 3rd, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Pacific Standard Time is West Coast time, so if you are in the middle states and Midwest, I believe it's 2 hours ahead. So for you, it would be 12, and if you're on the East Coast, it'll be 1 p.m. Make sure that you check your local times to know, but for sure it is 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or West Coast time. I have the direct link to the wig sale in the description bar for you guys. So this wig sale will be US only. I'm so sorry for those of you who are international that want to participate. It just was a mess. My daughter wants you guys to know it was a mess. So I really would love for these wig sales to be international, but it's just been such a mess. This person's wig got held in customs and I'll have to refund it. Months later, it gets returned back to me from customs. This person paid, you know, for the international shipping, but hers got held in customs and they need an extra fee, and she wants me to pay for it, and it was a $20 wig and I'm paying $30 for it. It's just too much for international. So I'm so sorry to you guys who are overseas that would like to participate. Maybe in the future I'll have something for you guys, but just with these wig sales, I find that there have been a few that have been very smooth, but there have just been a few that are just really bad hiccups, and it's just not worth it for me or you guys. So this will be US only. I have at least 20 if not 30 items on sale for you guys. Please let me know if you guys want me to start selling my wigs that I make myself. I don't like selling them because I feel like when I make my wigs, I just make it for me, and it's not professional, it's not machine wefted or anything like that. It's just my personal wigs. So if you guys want for me to start selling those wigs to you guys, please let me know. Spam the comments, let me know to start selling them, and maybe next month I'll do a wig sale where I sell some of my personal wigs that I've sewn together myself. I wouldn't mind selling it to you guys. It's just that I don't know, like, I'm very funny, like, I don't know if you're gonna like it, you know what I mean, because I make them for me. I don't know if it's gonna fit your head, you know, all that good stuff. So let me know, spam the comments, let me know if you guys want to see some of those wigs that I make myself on the site. If so, I'll do a sale for you guys in April featuring those. So yeah, there won't be another announcement. This is the official announcement. The link is in the description bar, so I would encourage you guys to read all the information in the description bar to know exactly what's going on. Click the link and add it to your browser so that it's ready, and then at 10 a.m. or 9:59, 9:58, go ahead and reload it so it'll open up the page and you'll be able to shop exactly at 10 a.m. So happy shopping to everyone. I hope you get the wig that you were looking for, and I'll see you guys in the next one.